Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find IP address of Android phone. So all you have to do here is you have to locate your phone settings. You can swipe down and then look for the gear icon that is your settings. So you just have to simply swipe down here, tap on the gear icon, and then what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down till you see about phone. So usually you can see that about phone on the bottom of your settings. So you have to click this one right here, tap this. Now in about phone, you can see different options, features. Now in some Androids, if you scroll down here, you should see that IP address right away. However, in my case or in my phone, I should go to status. I have to look for the status feature in order for me to see that IP address. So I'm going to scroll down below here till I see the status, which is this one right here. I'm going to tap this one, and in the status section I can see different features again, and one of the features in status is my IP address. So here I can screenshot my IP address, I can copy and save it somewhere. So basically in some Androids you just have to go to about phone and then scroll down till you see IP address. If you can see it in that feature or section, you can go to status and then look for IP address. But basically, that's how easy it is to find address. And see you again in our next video tutorials.